Many centuries ago, the land beneath your feet, or perhaps beneath your seat, was often covered by the flooding of the Cowlitz and Columbia rivers. Before visitors from other continents arrived, this area was pristine with abundant wildlife thriving in the forests, the sky, and the water. A few humans also lived in this area with little change over that time. North America was discovered, and a few folks loaded their possessions into a large wagon and came west over the Oregon Trail seeking a better life. Residents living north of the Columbia River wanted more access to services and government and came together at the Monticello Convention where Longview now stands. As a result, the Oregon Territory was divided, and Washington later became a state. Meanwhile, in Kansas City, a timber baron named R.A. Long had harvested the forests of the Midwest and South. Company officials searched the nation and came west to this area. His vision into the future of prosperity for his company and its employees led him to the forests of the Pacific Northwest and ultimately to the mouth of the Cowlitz River, where he built the world's largest lumber mill. The Longview Company built a strong system of dikes to keep the city dry. Lumberjacks came to town and began harvesting the old-growth fir trees. The logs were loaded on the rail cars pulled down the mountains to the world's largest lumber mill by good old Shea No. 5. Mr. Long wanted his town to grow and prosper along with the men and women who helped build the city. He gave land and money to build community centers like the YMCA that is also celebrating 100 years. The Community Church and Trinity Lutheran Church have been in Longview for 100 years as well. Education and learning were important goals as he gave the city its first schools and library. The Monticello Hotel was Mr. Long's pride and joy and opened 100 years ago with much fanfare. Speaking of goals, Mr. Long was an advocate of recreation. Longview's champion soccer team, the Timber Barons, drew the community together. Land was given for the Longview Country Club that is also celebrating its centennial. Outdoor activities also included fishing, hiking, biking, boating, and just strolling through Longview's many beautiful parks. All activities help keep Longview healthy. This celebration could not be possible without the efforts of the Centennial Committee and the generous sponsors. Thank you. The Stanley and June Rose Foundation is the major sponsor of the Centennial Weekend, a generous local family supporting the community. J.H. Kelly is the only local business to have started and thrived in Longview for all 100 years. Thank you for your extra support in the Centennial Monument. The first Longview inhabitants, the Cowlitz tribe, helped us celebrate our kickoff in January and are generously supporting along with the entertainment capital of our area, the Alani Resort. The Healthcare Foundation provides support for the health and wellness of our community with funds raised from the Early County Hospital. Wilcox and Flagel has been making warm friends in Longview for many years and is a major energy supplier in our area. The city of Longview donated money, resources, staff, and guided the committee to a successful party. Let's all join in singing Happy Birthday to my Longview.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you all for joining the party, and let's hear it for Lower Columbia College for hosting our show. Thank you all for joining the party, and thank you to Joe Jones of Boise, Idaho for this spectacular show.